Hey, let us briefly review a way to characterize, and it is called steal. All right, so what is characterization? So that's how an author describes a character. There are different ways to do that. There are a couple of types of characters. There's a protagonist, which is a leading character, usually the good guy, but not always. And then there's the antagonist, and that is usually the villain in a novel that works against the protagonist. There are two types of characterization. There's indirect characterization, and that's when the author shows you what they're like, not telling. So, for example, Sally knew that in order to cross the treacherous path, she needed to come up with a game plan. So, by knowing her thoughts and her actions, we understand that she is brave and strategic, even though the author didn't directly tell us. Now, there's direct characterization, and that's when the author tells you, hey, this is exactly how the character is. Sally was a brave and strategic girl with a wild spirit. She was always ready for the next adventure. Hey, we know she's brave and strategic because guess what? The author told us. We didn't have to think about it. It's right there in the text for us. No inference necessary. So, when you're looking at how the author is revealing a character to you, this is an acronym you can use, STEAL. So you look at what does the character or the person say? What does the character think? Like, what do they think about whatever's going on? Their effect on others. How do they impact others? What are their relationships like? Actions. What kind of actions does the character take in the text? And then finally, what does the character or person look like? And this is a way to look at maybe the indirect characterization and just really to understand our character a little bit better. So if this character were your friend, how would you describe them? These are some of the things you would use. This is a simple graphic organizer to help you out. And here are some examples using the exact same graphic organizer. So take a look. If you have any questions, make sure you contact me. And Steal is a way to look at how an author is revealing the character.